I hate it and I can't return it. It just blew out by itself. Stay. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's Keegan. Hi, hello, how are you? It is 8:20 a.m. Yeah, I never know if like my clocks are correct. Arizona does not do daylight saving, so sometimes clocks will change and then I need to change them back. Like my TV right now thinks it's an hour ahead of what it actually is. I don't know why I just started talking about that, but good morning. Today is Wednesday. I get my couch today. It is the Living Spaces Utopia couch, which is the dupe of the Cloud couch from Restoration Hardware. I got it in the condo size, so it's a little bit smaller, and then I also got it in a different fabric than like the Caitlin flats, which is like the standard one. Let me get my cream cheese out. I am pumped for this couch, you guys. This is like the #1 thing that I've been waiting for to make my apartment feel like home. I ordered a TV as well, and that's not gonna be here for a little bit. I don't know if you guys are invested in my toaster as much as I am, but I talked about recently how my toaster has been like burning everything that I put in it. The moment of truth, it always like gets it's really hot. The bottom half really toasty. I put it on like the second setting. Out of 7, it's on 2. So if I put on anything else, it burns it. It's kind of annoying. Like why does it not toast the top part, but just the bottom? Like, and I said this before, but I threw the box away, so it's too late to return it. That was like a weird noise that I just made there. Anyways, it's an exciting day. I also have a lot of work to get done, so we have to be productive today. But I went to the gym, my apartment's gym. I did like a little leg workout, but it was not much. I have to be completely honest. It really was not much. I haven't worked out in a really long time because I've been moving and everything. So I was like, you know, I'll go easy on myself today. I'll just ease myself into it, which is something I say far too often. I'm gonna eat my bagel. I'm gonna make a protein shake. We're gonna eat breakfast and then get started with our day. I finally finished editing this video. Finally. I was working on it so much yesterday and then it took me so long today. I always forget how long it takes for me to edit a video. I love editing though. I hope this does not come off as me complaining because I adore editing. I find that it's such like a creative outlet for me. I hope that you guys notice that my videos are like more creative now than they were a year ago, 2 years ago. I really hope you like them. I don't know. I find it fun to edit nowadays. There was a certain time where I was like, I hate this, but now I really like it. It's really creative for me. I'm gonna check it off my to-do list. I'll link these down below for you. Where is it on my to-do list? No, wait, that's not it. I had to add it to my to-do list because I didn't do it yesterday. I need to contact a customer support for something and it's making me really anxious because I'm just afraid they're gonna say no, and I don't know, I keep pushing it off. Like I've been needing to do this for 4 days now and I just keep, why am I hitting myself with this pen? I just keep pushing it off. I don't want to do it. I know I should, I just don't want to. I'm actually gonna edit a TikTok so I can procrastinate doing that once again. I told myself like today's the day that you need to do it, but I just don't want to. It just makes me anxious. I don't know why. I wish I wasn't like this. What's it like to have anxiety and not control your life? Don't know. Just picked up my packages. If you guys remember, I think I talked about this, but honestly, I don't know. Everything that I talk about in my videos is getting like blurred together into one for me. But I ordered these fake olive trees and they said they were delivered, but they weren't there. So I was like, oh no, someone must have stolen them. They must have delivered to the wrong place. A couple days later, they got delivered. I just set them up. I made a TikTok of it. I don't know if I love them, but I'm not returning them. I'll show you them in a second, but we have one more package to unbox. Oh, my scissors are over there because I was unboxing the trees. I'm pretty sure this is for my couch. I was also supposed to get some of my other packages that are in the package locker and they still haven't gotten to me. Okay, I got 2 things of fabric Scotchgard. This is long-lasting protection, waterproof fabric. So I'm gonna spray this on my couch when I get it today, just so I don't stain it right away. I'll show you the trees. They're supposed to be 6 feet tall. They're most definitely not 6 feet tall. I got 2 of them. This one is definitely the better of the 2, so that's why it's out here. The other one is not so great. Like, that looks stupid. I think that I'm going to try to like mess with it, but there's clearly more, I was about to say feathers, like leaves on this side than this side. So maybe I'll like angle it a little bit so that's maybe facing the back. This just looks dead. Let's try. I'm planning on getting like a pot for these 2. I was thinking of going to Goodwill. Maybe like DIY something. It literally is so crooked though. It's like, what if I don't want to like snap this in half. Okay, I think I just made that way more crooked. So if I put it in a pot, maybe I'll kind of like angle it like this a little bit so it's like leaning. It's definitely like, I think that I'm just gonna have to spend tonight messing around with these. I have too much going on today to dedicate as much time as this probably needs to make it perfect. I like it more. Like when I first got these, I was like, oh no, this was a bad purchase. And I don't still think this is a great purchase. I think it looks kind of dead. They're doing some construction or cleaning outside my window, so you could probably hear that. But I just contacted customer service for the issue that I had, and they told me that they will call me in 1 to 2 days, which I hate talking on the phone, so that's not gonna be fun. I did the live chat just to avoid talking on the phone, but they seemed really helpful. Hopefully they like follow through with helping me. They said that they'll like submit like a claim. Do you hear this construction? What are they doing? They said they'll submit a claim to like the higher up people because it was kind of a big issue that I had. I still have a lot of other things that I need to do. I just don't want to do it. I've really just been feeling kind of burnt out recently, and the reason for that is because I've had no days off. Like I've been working for the past couple weeks, and I won't have any days off for a while. Once the to-do lists are like dropped, sold, like pretty much gone, I am relaxing for a long time. I'm gonna take like a me month. No, just kidding, not a month, but I'll need to do some stuff. I still have more stuff to do. Like my to-do list, I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 more things to do. Okay, I need to stop being dramatic. Actually 14, busy girl, busy. I've been working on this for a really long time, but I've been updating the website. So first of all, I changed all the colors purple because I feel like that fit the collection more, and I did a bunch of things. This photo will obviously change. I still haven't gotten the photos back yet to upload them. This is a little preview of what I see whenever I like design this website. I completely did this all by myself. Obviously I have a template, but like this is all me. The gradient collection's here. Like this is so cool. My biggest thing was I wanted to make it more user-friendly, especially on digital, so you can see here. You can look at it on mobile. I felt like the one before, it was simple, it was nice, but it wasn't as user-friendly on mobile, so I hope you guys like it. Something that I've been trying to do is putting things in the dishwasher that I bought brand new. So there's a ton of things in my apartment that I got new that I haven't washed yet. Like for example, I haven't washed any of these. And I thought that it might just be easier to start loading things in the dishwasher when I have room and cleaning them just so they're clean in my pantry. I don't have to clean them right before I use them. And I cleaned this for the first time today, or last night. This is a little like bar cart set. I think it is so cute, from Amazon. I'll link it down below if I can remember. If I don't, come at me, tell me to. But it has everything. Like these are little spouts for alcohol bottle. Like some of these things I don't even know what you're supposed to do with them, but I'm glad I have them. And like it's so freaking cute, this little thing. Oh my gosh, I love it. I did struggle putting it back to, oh, what is going on? Everything's falling. Oh my gosh, stop, please stop, please stop. Do what you're supposed to. I did have problems remembering where everything went, so I had to pull up the photo on Amazon of what it looked like because I was like, I have no idea. This thing really threw me off because you're supposed to like kind of like weave it through here. I think it's kind of crooked. It's not standing correctly. I don't know if my dishwasher like kind of warped it a little bit, but it's so cute and it seriously has everything. Oh, there we go. Now it's standing up straight. Again, I'll link it down below if I can remember, but I really like it. I might make myself a cocktail tonight just because I can. I had a glass of wine last night and it felt so grown up. Wait, I need to move some things around in here. This is like my alcohol cabinet, even though there's nothing really in here. Oh, it fits perfectly. Look at it. And then I have my wine glasses from Amazon. I'll link these down below. And then this is so funny. If you guys know what Postino is, it's like a really popular restaurant in Arizona, specifically in Tempe. And my friend stole the pictures from them. They have like a deal where you can get like a pitcher of beer for like, what is it, $5? Pretty great deal. I think they might have upped the price. She stole them and then she brought them to my last apartment and she's like, you can just have them. I have too many. Oh my gosh. So I didn't steal them. I'm just waiting for my couch to be delivered and let's see. I have some TikToks for the to-do list that I need to film, but I don't want to film them and then have the people come in the middle of it and then like not be able to use my phone to film it, if that makes any sense. Like have them call me in the middle of me filming it. So I'm kind of using that as an excuse to procrastinate. Change of plans. The issue I was dealing with that I had contact customer service for is a bunch of the to-do lists came damaged. And so I contacted them and they were like, okay, great, we'll send you new ones that are not damaged. However, you need to send us these new ones back. We're gonna have someone come pick them up for you, but it needs to be ready by 8 a.m. tomorrow. I threw away all of the boxes yesterday. Then I went to like the recycling room, gone. All of them gone. So I need to sort through every single one of these, find the damaged ones, and then get a box, prepare it. I did not have time to do this today. I just got a notification that the couch will be here in 10 minutes. Ready? Here she is. Honestly, turn the ceiling fan on for the maintenance guys. Let me turn that off. My mirror is literally in front of my bedroom door. I'm kind of scared it's gonna fall. I had to move it out of the way. Here she is. Honestly, I feel like it might be small. It might be too small. I mean, I'm keeping it. I haven't sat on it yet. I'm really afraid of getting it dirty, but oh, it's nice. Yay! I'm going to move it a little bit. I don't really know where I want to move it. The wall. It's definitely too small. I should not have let my mom talk me into getting the smaller one. She was like convinced it would be too big for the space, but this might just be too small. You guys, I hate the couch. I hate the couch so much. Oh my god. It is way too small for this space. Even with side tables, it is way too small. It literally looks like a love seat. Like it is tiny. I feel like I'm sounding really dramatic right now. And like, yes, I am being dramatic, but like this was a lot of money and I'm so upset with myself. I really wanted the standard size one, the regular size one. The regular size one is like this much bigger and that would have been the perfect size. I'm so angry right now. My mom convinced me to get the smaller one, even though I wanted the bigger one. She was like, you need the smaller one. It's not gonna fit in your space. It looks so dumb. I hate it and I can't return it because I got the different fabric, so it's not like the standard one that you could easily return. I hate it so much. And I also, please, I'm begging you, don't comment that you like it and that you think it fits well in the space and that it just needs side tables. One of my biggest pet peeves in life is when I say I don't like something and then someone tries to convince me to like it when I know for a fact that I don't like it. It drives me insane. I don't know what it is, but it's like, please don't. It just makes me hate it even more. I have to live with it. Like there's no going back because I can't return it. I'm just so upset. It looks so stupid. Like it's just tiny for the space. Sorry, I'm being dramatic. I know I'm being dramatic and I know I'm like being a brat right now, but this was like a lot of money to get something that I don't like and to have to live with it. It's like, what am I gonna do? Sell it for like way less than what I bought it for? I'm sorry guys, I'm really sorry for being a bitch. Just a lot of money. I also just packaged all the to-do lists and then my mom and my sister came to bring them to my house to get picked up. It is so many of them, so many. Almost half of the to-do lists are damaged. This is not my day. It's not my day. I even moved this table, this round table, a little bit closer to the couch to maybe make the wall feel, I don't know, not as small, but I'm sorry for being a brat earlier. It's just been a really hard day. The to-do list exchange thing was not as simple as I thought, and I don't know if I'm going to get back all the to-do lists. It's so confusing to explain, but I don't think that I'm getting like a return or an exchange like I thought I was. That might set back everything. I don't know. I'm really stressed about it. Oh my god, oh my god. I have no food to eat for dinner either. So I'll show you guys what I think I'm gonna do with the apartment, okay? And by the time this video goes up, I will have already decided. I ordered some things. I still think the couch is way too small. I moved it a little bit closer to me, but it's gonna be off-centered, like with the TV when I get my TV. So like, the person sitting there is gonna have to like angle their body over here. I moved this table kind of more in the middle of the room, and then I ordered bar stools. So this is something that I've been wanting to do and I was kind of unsure about it, but you can kind of see I taped down over here, right here. I really love the idea of having a desk here, but it looks stupid. Even if I have like a little side table here, like it just, I don't know. I bought something I could always return it to, so like that's not set in stone, but I bought 3 ladder shelves and then I can style them. They're gonna be that tall, and then 3 of them. This was something that I wanted to do, is put shelves behind this table. I love the idea of having a desk. I don't think it aesthetically looks that great, and I mean, I used this desk today to work and I thought it was fine. The only issue is it's kind of like wobbly. I tried to film like a TikTok of me doing my to-do list and the entire thing was like shaking, so I don't know, but I might sell this desk. I've had it since I was 14, 15, so I'm like, it's gotten its use, you know? It's almost 10 years old. So I ordered the shelves. I could always return them if I don't like them, but I thought that would be something. And then I was gonna put like 2 vertical art things, but it's just too small, so I might do one kind of like horizontal one that's not too large. I put this on top of like another pot, you can see, like just sitting there. I'll obviously get like a pot for it, but since you can't really see it, it's not my top priority. I played around with the idea of putting the desk over here. I couldn't fit the mirror anywhere. The mirror would cover the light switch and I just didn't want that. I've just had a really stressful day today, and everything that I wanted to get done, I couldn't really get done. It just wasn't going to plan. I just feel really overwhelmed and like anxious about a lot of things. So I apologize for kind of just being like snappy when the couch got here and I was like upset about it. That just kind of sent me over the edge because I was like really looking forward to that. You know when like you're already going downhill and like the one thing that you're really looking forward to just plummets and you're like, oh my god, what, like I have such bad karma, like what's going on here? That is how I felt. So it's not ideal, but it is what it is. I'll be fine. I think I might order food because I don't really have that much. I was gonna get sushi like 2 hours ago, but then I kind of forgot, and now we're here. I could still always get sushi. I don't know. I just am upset about a lot of things going on right now, and I just don't want to hide that. Like, everyone has ups and downs and their bad days, and this is not how I thought this vlog was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like, oh my god, fun couch. Not, oh my god, I hate it. I have to rethink my entire apartment now because it looks stupid. That's not even like my biggest stressor right now. I'm sorry. It's a little bit later. I just packaged up the rest of the to-do list, the ones that are not damaged, put them in the plastic wrap. I need to seal them, but I might do that another day. I'm about to go to bed. I love you guys so much. Sorry again for my tantrum. Literally me posting this on the internet. I could edit it out, but here we are. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.